Hello people, tudo bem? Vamos gravar aqui, acho que vocês já receberam uma mensagem escrita, a gente vai gravar as aulas para vocês, por conta de toda a situação que está acontecendo. Bom, a aula eu vou tentar fazer o máximo, tem uma pessoa aqui para me ajudar, vou tentar fazer o máximo possível parecida com o que a gente tem na aula mesmo, tá? A explicação vai ser toda em inglês, obviamente, como vocês sabem. Eu estou no grupo de WhatsApp agora, então se tiverem alguma dúvida, pode mandar para mim, pode mandar no grupo em português, em inglês, não importa, não fiquem com dúvidas. É importante que vocês vejam a aula até o final, tá? Hoje, especialmente, nós vamos ter o último ditado, né, o Dictation 10, então é bom que vocês assistam até o final, tá? Esse conteúdo será considerado dado, portanto, assistam, acompanhem. Tá? No Let's Repeat eu vou deixar o tempo aqui para vocês repetirem aí com vocês mesmos as frases. E durante a parte do Let's Practice eu tenho aqui o Pedro que está me ajudando, ele vai ler as respostas, tá? Mas vocês podem pausar e vocês mesmos falarem a resposta acompanhando aí no livro de vocês, ok? So, let's start. A tug of war. Infamous. Concentration. Victory, victorious, a battle or a battle, a battleground or a battleground, an ally, whereas, a war, an enemy, a winner, evil, peace, the United Nations or the UN, to fight, fight, fought, fought. Okay, let's go to the explanations. A tug of war is a game traditionally made by children, okay? Normally one child at each side, okay? And they pull a rope, okay? Infamous is somebody who is famous for not very good reasons. For example, Adolf Hitler, he's infamous. He's famous for being bad. Okay? Concentration, just like Portuguese. Victory and victorious, just like Portuguese too. Victory is the noun, victorious is the adjective. A battle is a fight. Okay? Is one piece of fight in a war. A battleground is an area where a battle took place. An ally is somebody that, during a war, is your fighting on the same side as you are. Whereas is the same as while. Synonym. A war, you already know this word. World War II, World War I, okay? An enemy is a person you are fighting against. A winner is a person that wins. Evil is a synonym for bad. Peace is a state when everybody is together, thinking the same. They are not in a war, they are in peace. Okay? United Nations is a coalition between countries. It's known as UN, the UN. And to fight is only here because it's irregular. The three forms of fight are fight, fought, fought. So, let's repeat. Adolf Hitler is an infamous leader in history who started the Second World War. There is a concentration of Allied battlegrounds in France. President Lincoln was victorious in keeping the United States of America united during the Civil War. The United Nations is against evil and for peace in the world. A tug of war is not a war, whereas it is a game which children and adults play with a rope. The enemies of Western allies during the world wars were Germany, Russia, Japan, and Italy. So guys, let's practice now. At this point, Pedro here will help me doing the answers, okay? If you want, before he answers, you can pause the video, okay? And repeat yourselves before hearing his repetition, okay? So, when you finish this method and are speaking fluent English, will it be a victory for you?
Yes, when I finish this method and I am speaking fluent English, it will be a victory for me.
Are wars nowadays fought with battles on battlegrounds?
No, wars nowadays aren't fought by battles on battlegrounds, but are fought with battles in air and in the sea, and with hidden fighters.
Do you know the name of one of the most infamous world leaders in history?
Yes, one of the most infamous world leaders in history is Joseph Stalin, the Russian dictator.
Where can you find many ancient battlegrounds?
You can find many ancient battlegrounds in Greece.
How do you know who is the winner in the game Tug of War?
You know who is the winner in game Tug of War by seeing which team crosses the white line in the middle.
Very good. What does the organization the United Nations do?
The United Nations is an organization that helps to stop conflicts and create peace.
Are Russia and the USA commonly thought of as allies?
No, Russia and the USA are not commonly thought of as allies.
Has Jacob been visiting battlegrounds during his history degree?
Yes, Jacob has been visiting battlegrounds during his history degree.
Who fought for the rights of black people in America?
Martin Luther King fought for the rights of black people in America.
Do you think that good is victorious against evil in the end?
Yes, I think good is victorious against evil in the end.
What was the most famous war in the world?
The most famous war in the world was the Second World War.
Who was the winner of the last Football World Cup?
I don't know. The winner of the last Football World Cup.
Do you have any enemies in the classroom?
No, I don't have enemies in the classroom.
Have you ever made peace with someone you were angry with?
Yes, I have made peace with someone who I was angry with.
Do you find it difficult to keep your concentration when studying if there is a lot of noise?
Yes, I found it difficult to keep my concentration when studying if there is a lot of noise.
When you can answer many questions in the revision part of the lesson, do you feel victorious?
Yes, when I can answer many questions in the revision part of the lesson, I feel victorious.
How can we fight evil in the world?
We can fight evil in the world by trying to create peace.
If we are fighting for the same thing, what can I call you?
If we are fighting for the same thing, I can call you my ally.
Very nice. Guys, so this is the end of the book, okay? Now I'm gonna ask you to do the classroom activities that are listed on this page. Page 97 is asking you to do activities 12 and 13, okay? We will give you more further instructions in the future, probably tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, because today we are doing the dictation, okay? So, let's go. You go to page 99, and I will start dictation 10. I will do exactly like I do when you are here in the lesson. Pedro will make the dictation so we can more or less follow his speed, okay? So let's start.